Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a signature in Zoho Invoice. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to books.zoho.com and log in to your Zoho Invoice account. Please keep in mind that Zoho Books is simply an upgraded version of Zoho Invoice. So, how can we add a signature? First, go to the top right and click on this gear icon right here. And then, we're going to click on PDF templates. From here, as you can see, there is one PDF template. We're going to click on edit. And then, we're going to set our focus on the left panel. Go to other details. Now, if we scroll down, we can see a checkbox right here for our signature. Now, we're going to put a label right here, depending on what we want. So, I'm not going to change it for the sake of this video. And then, we're going to drag and drop or upload a file right here for the signature image. And then, we're simply going to put in a signature name for it. Now, if we're done with this, we're simply going to click on save. But if you want to add an additional signature, click here and you can add more details right here. Once done, click on save. And that's it. Our signature would now be saved on this template. Whenever we use it, our signature would appear there. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!